The essentially current exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is at $466,422,716, or so they really thought. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an unobtrusive manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support really remained at $13.68 in a very large manner. Torrential slides EMA10 generally shows a vertical pattern, exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 really shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner. 16 January 2024, in this video we will by and large walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some things, facts, what basically is truly transient cost expectation for torrential slide, basically is Avax an especially wise interest in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us certainly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,701,864,434,951, which generally is very critical. The very complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $57,212,190,209 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Pretty further appearance how 16 January 2024, in this video, we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts. What really is transient cost expectation for torrential slide truly is Avax a very wise speculation, which explicitly is very huge. Which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period in a quite huge manner. Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, truly is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at $96.95, sort of additional appearance how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.47% in esteem, showing how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination, really let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a very descending course for kind of present moment, showing how 16 January 2024, in this video, we will explicitly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is especially transient cost expectation for torrential slide, especially is Avax a truly wise venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at $96.95. Especially further appearance how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in an especially large manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become more certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, or so they explicitly thought. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers essentially become pretty dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Avax United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The ongoing torrential slide cost for the most part is $35.59, with an exchanging volume of $466,422,716 in the truly beyond 24 hours, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period. Which explicitly is very critical. At present, Avax essentially is somewhere near 1.96% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $13,050,362,963 United States dollars, which sort of shows that as of now, Avax fundamentally is somewhere near 1.96% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $13,050,362,963 United States dollars in a genuinely huge manner. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 16 January 2024, inside a sort of everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath, kind of additional appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $43,266.13 level, after a vertical development of 0.61% in a sort of large manner. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the torrential slide, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking essentially. While Avax's Williams %R pointer for the most part is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signaled truly is especially conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that torrential slides EMA10, in a real sense, shows a vertical pattern, exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 sort of shows a vertical pattern. Which basically is very critical. The Avax United States dollar moving really normal union and dissimilarity MACD marker for the most part is demonstrating a present moment in a real sense, sell pretty sign, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which sort of means in a real sense, bears in every practical sense, are overwhelming on the lookout. Pretty further appearance how these occasions show that the market in every practical sense is going in a sort of descending heading for present moment, showing how 16 January 2020